Hi, this is Darlene, Avery Lane Shop Girl. We're all getting ready for September and October where we're starting to have barbecues and pool parties, and we've got some beautiful patio furniture. This is Restoration Hardware. They are impeccable condition. They are absolutely current, very well priced. If you haven't shopped patio furniture, it's insanely expensive. So we've got these beautiful 4 Restoration Hardware chairs, and then we also have the wonderful chaise lounges with them as well. And then I want to show you one other. We got really excited when we had a client in Paradise Valley move out and give us a whole collection of Dedon, which we don't see very often. It's Italian. It's the most beautiful wicker. It's absolutely immaculate. I love even the little tags that they have on them. This is a wonderful little seating arrangement with a coffee table. Really sophisticated, very high quality. From that same house, we got 4 beautiful Dedon chaise lounges. They're in immaculate condition, beautiful cushions even, and the wicker is absolute perfection. If you've got a contemporary house in a big patio and you need a big, huge conversation area, we've got some beautiful furniture, very contemporary, in the black and the gray. It's got black wicker and the chrome legs to it. Some of the cushions might need to be reupholstered, but it's in great condition and ready to take home when you're ready. Come see all this beautiful furniture here at Avery Lane in Scottsdale, Arizona.